Hello everyone. Today, we're tackling a frustrating issue, adbd failing to run as root on production builds of Ubuntu. This is common when debugging Android applications on Ubuntu-based systems. Let's get started and see how we can fix this. First, let's understand why adbd doesn't run as root by default on production builds. This is a security measure. Root access provides complete control over the device. This control is dangerous in the wrong hands. Production builds prioritize security. Therefore, root access is disabled. Now, let's talk about enabling adbd root access. This involves modifying the default.prop file on your Android device. This file controls system properties. We'll be changing a specific property to allow adbd to run as root. Before we begin, ensure you have adbd, Android Debug Bridge, set up on your Ubuntu machine. Also, your Android device must have developer options enabled and USB debugging turned on. Connect your Android device to your computer using a USB cable. Next, pull the default.prop file from your device. Open a terminal on your Ubuntu machine. Type adb pull/default.prop. This command copies the file to your current directory. Now, we need to edit the file. Open default.prop with a text editor like Nano or Gedit. Look for the line RO secure equals 1. Change it to RO secure equals 0. This disables the secure boot flag. Next, find the line RO debuggable equals 0. Change it to RO debuggable equals 1. This enables debugging. Add the line persist.sys.usb.config equals adb if it's not already there. Save the changes to the default.prop file. Now, push the modified default.prop back to your device. Type adb push default.prop/default.prop. You might encounter a permission error. This is because the system partition is read-only. We need to remount it as read-write. First, enter the adb shell. Then, type sudo to become root. If you don't have root access, you'll need to flash a custom recovery like twrp. In the adb shell, remount the system partition, mount o remount rw/system. Now, exit the adb shell. Push the modified default.prop file again, adb push default.prop/default.prop. If it's successful, reboot your device, adb reboot. After rebooting, reconnect your device to your computer. Now, try to run adbd as root. Type adb root. If everything went well, you should see the message adbd is already running as root. You can now use commands that require root privileges. Remember that enabling root access can compromise your device's security. Only do this if you understand the risks. Use it responsibly for development and debugging purposes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Consider supporting the channel by sharing this video with others. Your support helps us create more content like this.